In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Business Profile in 2026. First, go to the Google Business Profile website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, create one before continuing. Next, click Get Started and enter your business name. If your business already appears in Google's database, select it. Otherwise, choose the option to create a new business. After that, select your business category. Choose the category that best describes your products or services, then click Next. Now, enter your business location. If customers visit your physical location, add your business address. If you provide services at customer locations, you can choose the service area option instead. Next, add your contact information, including your phone number and website if you have one. This helps customers reach your business more easily. After that, review all the information you've entered and continue to the verification step. Google may ask you to verify your business through a phone call, text message, email, video verification, or another available method. Once your business is verified, complete your profile by adding business hours, photos, a business description, products, services, and any other relevant information. Finally, review your profile and make sure everything is accurate. A complete profile can help customers find and learn more about your business on Google Search and Google Maps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Google Business Profile in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.